So text processing tools, head, it displays the top 10 lines from the given document, head file name, head hurry.txt, head hyphen. So by default, it will shows the 10 lines. So if you want only 5 lines, if you want only 20 lines, if you want only 100 lines, you can specify the line number. Okay, tail, it displays the bottom 10 lines from the given document. So bottom 10 lines. If you want only 5 lines, you can use the hyphen 5. If you want 20, you can use hyphen F file name. F means follow the output will not close. Follow the output will not close. Less and more to read the documents page by page and line by line to see the content. Only there is no modifications. Less and more just to see the content. There is no modifications. There is no modifications. grep grep searches for the string or keyword from the given document. It searches the case sensitively and it prints the matching lines. grep string file name. So grep -i string file name, ignore the case sensitive. grep root anaconda, so it will search the anaconda. grep hurry /etc pass wd. Okay. Pipe, so pipe is nothing but a, so shift plus I, the output of the first command becomes the input of the subsequent command. The output of the first command becomes the input of the subsequent command. So netstart -ntlp grep http. So this is the first command. The output of the first command becomes the input of the second subsequent command. Okay. Word. Yeah, I will show you the. Yeah, head. What is the head, guys? Top 10 lines it will display. Head var log dnf.log. Right, it will display the top 10 lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 10 only, sorry. So head hyphen, I want only first first line. I display the first line. I want 3 lines, you can display 3 lines. I want 20 lines, you can display first 20 lines. 20, it will display the 20 lines. Okay, control plus is nothing but a clear the screen. The keyboard control plus is nothing but a control plus L is nothing but a clear the screen. So right, next tail var log dnf dot log. Right, it will display the last 10 lines. But so if you use the hyphen f, it will not close the output because of the log is writing, system log is keep continuously writing, right? I need a last 10 lines, something like we executed the tail var log dnf and it's again created another line for it's an again log is created for the another line, right? It will remove the last line and it will added the new line. It will added the new line. For that purpose we are using the hyphen f. You see the output is not closing whenever it created, right? It removes this one and it added the new line. It added the new line. Is understood? So you want to check the last 10 lines, 5 lines. Last 3 lines. If it is written another line, right, it will display, it will close this one and add it in the other line. So that display hyphen use, if you use the hyphens, if you use the hyphen f, the display the cursor will not close. Cursor will not close, right? Head to tail, more less, more var log dnf.log. What is that? dnf.log. You see, more is nothing but a, we see the content. Yeah, less or more to read the document page by page and line by line. To see the content only, there is no modifications. Enter, if you press the enter line by line, it will display. If you enter the space bar, it will display the page by page. Page by page. You see the guys, if you use the more, it will see the percentage of the file. So now it's opened 36%. So I'm pressing enter. It will show line by line. If I press space bar, it will display the page by page. So it will display the page by page by page. Okay. Or else less var log messages. Okay. So less, right? If you see the less, it will not show the it will not show the percentage of the file, how much you opened. So I am executing the space, it will show the page by page. If I execute the enter, if I enter the enter command, it will show the line by line. If I press the space bar, it will show the page by page. Okay, so this is nothing but a less more, less more. Now you understood? More, in the more, it will display the percentage. I'm pressing the space bar, page by page. If you press the line, if you press the enter, it will show only line by line, line by line. You see the percentage will be increasing while pressing the space bar. If I press the enter, it will not increase, it will not increase the percentage. Okay, so this is q is nothing but a quit the file or less more. Now we understood less, tail, head, tail, less, more, and grep. You want to grep the command, something like a cat slash etc var log dnf dot log press grep error. You see, so it will not search capital letters or a small letters. It will search only small letters. It will not search capital letter or mixed letters. So if you search hyphen I, so this is the case sensitive. It will search capital and small and mixed, both capital and small. There is no error, right? Messages. Yeah, you see, if you grep, you searched only the small error, but it will open the capital errors and it will open the both mixed small and right, and will execute the small errors, capital errors, and mixed.
Sir,
Guys, understood?
sir, grep question one.
Grep?
Oh,
Yeah.
grep command అర్థం కాదు.
Okay. So grep searches for the string or keyword. What is the string or keyword? Error is the string or keyword. Okay. Error is the string or keyword from the given document. I don't want to search entire log. I don't want to. I don't want to see the entire log. I want to see the just error. What is a just error keyword in that log or document, right? I want to search where the log is there, and it will display the whatever the error is there. I want to display that line. So we can use that for grep command. What is the grep command? Very good. So grep searches the given document or a keyword from the given document. It searches case sensitively and it prints the matching lines. What it will do? It will search and it will print the matching lines. Okay. It searched the error keyword in the given document. Messages contains a big file. Big file. I don't want to see the, so for example, this is the 50 pages document. 50 pages document. I don't have a time to watch and each and every document, each and every line or each and every page. I want to grep the error. I want to grep the error string or a keyword from the given document. For example, it will search 100 pages and grep that lines and print it in the screen. So that is nothing but a grep. Have you understood?